Hello. You alright, sausage? Excuse me. What time is it? 7:45. She's okay. Leave her alone. Chippy's fine. Chippy's fine. 7:45. I've woken up with another cold sore. What the actual? Another one just here. I've got one there. And there's another one just there. Yep. Poor mama. We someone woke me up at 5:15 saying he was hungry because he didn't eat a lot of dinner last night. And you had a waffle, didn't you?
Yeah.
And then some cereal. And then we've just had a little snuggle in bed. Oh. Do you want to go get a nappy, please? Go get a boonie, and I'll change it. There's some in the bathroom. Go get one. The girls are okay. Chippy, what are you doing? I let the cats up. Oh, I've got itchy nose.
Mama, I saved it.
Yeah, you saved him. Oh dear. Chippy, what are you doing? Oh, she's trying to kill my rat. Chippy, she was just trying to kill this. My taxidermy rat. I forgot he was on the window. Chippy, who's this? Chippy, who's this? Chippy. Gary, who's this? What's that? I need to move this and put it somewhere they can't reach. I'll find you a bum, don't worry. Oh, I don't know what we're doing today. Oh, I've woken up with a really sore throat. I think that's just because, again, just so run down, it's ridiculous. I'll speak to you in a bit. I think we need to do more cleaning today. Hello everybody. Someone got a new chair from Granny Nana, didn't they? New fancy chair. And Granny Nana brought us a haul, so we thought we would show you. She's in here ordering stuff from Screwfix for her new kitchen. We thought we'd show you. She got me some cheese, but that's in the fridge. Some Dunkers. Tuck biscuits. Crispy onions. Who likes crispy onions? Who likes cow biscuits? Who likes cheddars? Then a fire log. Dark rice cakes. These are ones that Mika likes, the milk chocolate ones. Deodorant, because I like the solid deodorant. You can't buy it anywhere in Norwich at the moment for some reason, so she's got me some of them. Mango candy kittens. Cat treats that they love. Tunnocks. Shredders. Who's excited for these?
Yeah!
A chocolate house. Instead of a gingerbread house, it's a chocolate house kit. And it looks amazing to build it, so we're going to build that. And then homemade, what are these ones?
They were the white bits out of the Oreos. I scraped all the white bit off the Oreos and made little balls and then coated them in white chocolate with milk, dark chocolate on the top.
And then
they were Oreo and Biscoff.
Truffles.
Yeah, but they're all falling out of their little... Oh, you've just jiggled them up, thanks.
I'm making eggs for everybody for lunch. Mum's already done hers because she didn't want butter in it. Me and Mika have got scrambles. Foxy's got a fried egg. And Ari's having a bagel. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to have a bath, Mr. Fox?
Yo!
Yeah.
Oh.
I see. Alright, little one. I'm trying to let my cold sores dry out. Oh, they look fucking horrible. Sausage boy is playing his tablet before bed. It's... What time is it? What time is it? My phone doesn't want... My watch doesn't want to tell me. 10 to 6, which is the latest he has been awake in, like, I don't know, 10 days. So good job, mate. Squeaks is in here. She's come up because it's cold downstairs. Ari's got a really bad cough. So she's in her room. She's got Vicks Vapor Rub on her feet. She's had cough medicine. She's got Old Bass oil in here. And she's got menthol crystals in a cup here steaming. So her room is very mentholy. And then my mum was here earlier on. We started to try and sort out some of this Lego. So we've got like, that's just blocks. That's flat pieces. That's Technic. Windows. Little roof bits. And boxy with wheels. And then people. So, but there's just so much. But I think it needs to be done. Like, if we don't sort it, it's just really difficult for them to play it if it's not sorted. Mika's chosen a colour for her bedroom, like a plummy colour, which is nice. I've got a clip in my hair for some reason, I don't know why. My lips are, so this is a new one, this is a new one, this is a new one, and this is an old one. I need to take my next tablet actually. Yeah, that's probably going to be it for today, to be honest. Just because we'd literally just sat in bed and you don't want to just sit and watch us sit in bed. So hopefully tomorrow I'm going to go and do my Christmas food shop. I only need like a couple of bits of veg and stuff and some yeast and things. There's not a lot that I need. I think Ben should be coming to take Mika to the toy shop to get her best friend a Christmas present, and then she's staying at her best friend's tomorrow night. I've got a snack box to open. Can't say it too loud because of that. Yeah, I'll see you in the morning.